He was supposed to be home 2 hours ago. Ow! Stupid, cute Jonas Brothers.
Ow! You're braiding hair, not starting a chainsaw.
I'm sorry, but they're guys and he's a guy. And what if he figures out that he likes writing for guys more than he likes writing for Hannah?
Well, then you'll be out of work and I'll be bald.
Lily, this isn't funny. You should have seen the way they glommed onto him. You are awesome. Will you write a song for us? You doggies I love to. He was putty in their hands. Putty, I tell you.
Relax. I'm sure your dad's just late because the Jonas Brothers are arguing about his music or changing his lyrics and making him miserable.
Woo! I love the Jonas Brothers.
Wow, that was way off.
Where have you been? You were supposed to be home 2 hours ago. Start talking, mister.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey, but the time just got away from us. 1 minute we're